The day started with study groups 8, 6 and 9 presenting their study group's report out. Each group was required to report back to the participants with their key takeaways so far in the program. They also had to report upon their feedback to the group as well, in terms of what was their highlights, what was working, what needed improvements, other comments, and of course, each group was encouraged to include a funny picture or meme. Maurizio Pierini presented a lecture on machine learning for particle physics. This was an amazing lecture and enjoyed by all present. The topics covered included why neural networks for particle physics, what a neural network is and how to train it, what to do with neural networks, image classification, text understanding and particle jets, the needle in the haystack, how to search for new phenomena at the LHC with neural networks, and finally the 100 nanosecond autoencoder. Jeff presented a lecture entitled Opportunities and Challenges of Introducing High School Students to Modern Physics, Lessons Learned from Particle Physics. His lecture focused on the interest and curiosity of 15-year-old students based on research, the amazing benefits of meeting a scientist, the impact of picking particular particle physics topics based on students' interests, the examination of what a particle is. Finally, Jeff presented a range of resources that are available via the CERN website. CERN HST participants took a tour of the Science Gateway exhibitions. A cloud chamber workshop was carried out at the Science Gateway, in which participants were instructed on how to construct a cloud chamber to identify radiation trails. Budget-friendly alternative models were also presented to the teachers.